started trading Forex in 2022, and if I'm being completely honest, I've lost a lot of money, like a lot. And for a long time, I didn't really want to talk about it. Like for real, I don't want to talk about it. But because when you are losing money, real money, especially continuously, like every time, loss, you actually don't want people to know about it. Because you're always telling yourself that the next trade you make it back, you are still figuring it out. Like, bro, I don't know what to do, man. But this video, I know Forex has showed me a lot. But the last I see people telling themselves is, I will make it back, I'm getting better, I just need one good trade. And before you realize it, everything you have been doing is trying to recover money, not even actually trading. I think that's where things that started going wrong for me. Because when I started, nobody told me I would lose money. Nobody told me 4 years into the game, I will still be losing money. I discovered Forex in 2022, and at the beginning I was fascinated. Like I was seeing charts, I was drawing trend line, candlesticks, and many other things. I was even learning market structure. I was even learning breakouts. I was sharp going hard. This thing will change my life. It will change my life. I was learning trends. I was learning that, like, what even made me enter Forex was the idea that you can just sit anywhere in the world and look at the chart and buy or sell and make money, like thousands of dollars. You don't even know now. I thought this one will change my life. This also will change my life. I don't know, say you could change that, go to the other side. And I think that's one of the most dangerous things about trading, because the lies that this thing can change your life. Yes, it can change your life, but when you want to desperately change your life, like when you want Forex to be the thing that will change your life desperately, every opportunity start looking like the opportunity. Let me say that again. Every opportunity start looking like the opportunity. You just see small breakout, you already buy. Small breakout, you already sell. So what trading taught me? Trading taught me patience. Trading taught me a lot, because I traded, I made some money, I lost some money, I made some money again, and I lost some money again. And that cycle kept happening. But there were even times I could take a small account and I would flip it into something tangible. Yes, like $100 to $500, even $10 to $50 most times. And most times I would think, I don't figure these things out. So say, everywhere good, everywhere stable. Say, I don't be like Abby set, Abby Forex and Jeffrey. But something happened though. I normally overtrade. Sometimes I will force setup that's not there. Sometimes I will even revenge trade. It's crazy. Sometimes I will even try to make back a loss. And suddenly, the discipline I thought I had, the discipline leave me make I did here. For real, I thought I had discipline, but the discipline left me. I'll be like, guy, chill. Because this isn't a story, like a comeback story yet. I'm not successful yet. I'm not where I want to be. I don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars in the account, but this is just the beginning. And maybe one day I will look back at this video and be like, damn, this nigga really started. I realized that this was the moment everything changed, because I'm feeling it. Yes, I am the Triumphant. So if this works, or maybe it doesn't work, maybe I become a good storyteller, maybe I become a streamer, maybe I build a huge community, and maybe I fail at this too. And I don't even mind failing, because I love failing a lot. But there's something different about this journey, because I'm not hiding the process. I'm not chopping the loss in secret, and like some of your idols do. I'm not chopping the loss in secret. You get to see me learn. You get to see me make bad videos. You get to see me improve too. You get to see the mistakes, the clumsiness, everything. You even get to see the wins at the end. You get to see what happens when someone decides that no, I'm I'm stepping away from this life and I'm going to start again. Because 2022, if I had started this YouTube at 2022, I know where I would be. Probably I might not be where I that fancy, but I will not be here. And maybe somebody watching this is in the same position, that you spent years chasing something, thinking it will give you money, and maybe you've lost a lot of money. Maybe you failed. Maybe you've even made a lot of mistakes. Maybe you are even embarrassed to talk about it. Maybe you feel like you've wasted time. I'm here to tell you, I know that feeling. I know that feeling because that's where I am right now. But I'm starting to realize that losing doesn't have to be the end of the story. Hear that again. Losing doesn't have to be the end of the story. Sometimes losing teaches you what you don't want anymore. And sometimes that's enough to start moving in another direction. Because for me in forex trading, I don't want to be the loser in this story. Because in this game, in this GT, I don't want to be the loser. So this is me. I'm leaving one chapter behind. Bye bye to forex and starting another one. Starter to YouTube content creation. Forex was a huge part of my life from 2022 until now. It taught me discipline, it taught me patience, it taught me strategic thinking. It taught me what happens when emotions control your decisions. It shows me, and honestly I'm grateful for that experience, because if I haven't gotten the experience, I won't be able to talk to you guys about what it taught me. It taught me a lot about myself, but now I want to build, I want to create, I want to tell stories, I want to stream, I want to build a community of like-minded people. I want you to watch me figure it out, because I will figure it out. It's sure, it clear past destiny. So I actually had an opportunity and I couldn't keep it, and eventually I had to stop blaming the market. I had to look at myself somewhere. Are you sure this thing is for you? Because I know the market wasn't waking up every morning thinking about how to make me lose. I know the charts were not personally attacking me, because I know nobody, no village people, they try to do me. I know the broker, no they wait for me, say this guy don't play straight, no that John Wick. If you know John Wick, you know John Wick. A lot of the time I was the problem. My emotions, my impatience, my psychology, my overtrading, my revenge trading, everything add up. My need to make money quickly, because I'm at the stage I need money quickly, and that's a difficult thing to admit, because if you need money easy trading, you never make it though. Because it's much easier to say the market was manipulated, you know. It's easy to blame the market. It's easy to put the blame on an external force. You can say that trade should have worked. You can say forex is a scam. You can say it's because of the news that you chop loss. Anything except you are the problem. And maybe the problem was I wasn't ready, because that's where my relationship with forex started changing. Like, it changed. I realized something. I don't want to spend the next few years repeating the same cycle. I'm tired of it, of trading forex, losing, recover, still blow the account again, still get confident again, see one setup, one random setup, take it, you go TP, the another one, you go SA, blow accounts. I'm tired of all of that. I'm tired, honestly. I've even had to start again, like relearn Forex again because I thought something was wrong with my strategy. I'll still lose, I'll still recover, I'll still start again. Or at some point, you just have to ask yourself, like I asked myself, what am I actually building? Because this Forex now, instead of building me, building my capital, building things, it's not building anything for me, it's just taking it away. And that's the question that has been bothering me, because what am I actually building? Because I don't just want to make money. Money is one thing. The other thing I want to do, I want to build something. I want to become a storyteller. I want to work with brands. I want to create. I want to work with people. I want to stream. I want people to come to my life and actually get value. I want to build a community of people. I want to document my life. So trading, as at that time, wasn't giving me anything to even be proud of. And I want to meet interesting people. I want to build brands. I want to become someone whose work can reach people outside Nigeria, whose communication skill can change people's life. And I realized, I've been spending so much energy and money trying to make money from the market that I wasn't even building myself. I wasn't putting enough energy into becoming the kind of person that can make the brands reach out to me. Because those times I was doing Forex, I was actually an outsider, like an introvert, because the dream Forex is selling is you can be at home and make money. So right now I'm stepping away from Forex, not because I think nobody can trade, not because I'm saying Forex does not work, and definitely not because I suddenly became an expert on what everybody else should do. I'm just stepping away because I want to build something. I need a different chapter. I need a different perspective. I need another way. Like, if this way doesn't work, that doesn't mean there's no another way to make money. I need to see what happens when I put my energy into something else, something where I can build, something where I can create, something where I can look back 10 years back and actually see how I started and actually see the journey and be like, bro, you actually are improving. And that's why you're seeing me on YouTube now. Because it's crazy. That's why I'm learning storytelling, I'm learning YouTube streaming, I'm learning how to build brands, I'm experimenting with content. That's why I'm learning streaming. Streaming is a source of income, content is a source of income, and honestly, I'm enjoying the journey. I don't even know what I'm doing yet, but I know one day it will actually click. And I'm not coming here pretending I've figured it out. I've not even figured anything out. I'm starting from the beginning, and I feel like that's what makes my journey special. I'm learning how to tell a story. I'm learning how to do things. I've learned Forex, that's good, but Forex has made me I can't cry. So I'm learning how to hold attention. I'm learning how to speak to a camera. I'm learning how to edit. This new phase, I'm learning a lot. I'm learning how to build an audience. I'm learning a lot. It's not easy. I'm even learning how to become a creator, because you have to create, and that's what I'm doing here. And I'm going to document it. I'm going to document everything, every journey, every corner self. I'm going to document it. I even got funded before, and you would think, okay, now you made it, but make I no like give you, I no even get payouts. Nobody paid me. Like, I'll get to the funded stage and eventually I'll fail the account. That's one of the most traumatizing moments of my life. That's all differently. Like, imagine buying your account with last card and getting to funded stage and blowing the account. Because now it wasn't just I lost my own money, it was I actually had an opportunity. I got to funded stage and I couldn't keep it. Like, explain to me.